Alright, trial 2 takes the water at a slightly lighter color. Already poured it into there. We'll go ahead and I've rinsed this completely out too with water that is completely. So I'm going to go ahead and add my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drops of phenol red. We'll agitate it again and see what we get this time. Agitation gives us a complete mix. It allows the phenol red, we're actively forcing the diffusion, so we're going to actively put it on there. And if we take a look at the color change, and I know it's going to be hard on the camera to realize it because the colors are going to be a little off, but it's clearly not red any longer, and it's moving down here towards the oranges, which is good. And so our numbers are, we're going to put this somewhere between, on the color change, 6.8 and 7.2, which means it is somewhere between, it is slightly acidic, maybe rayon neutral, so which is not necessarily a great thing for growing plants. Plants don't like acidity in the soil. Plants like basic environments to grow in, or neutral environments. So slightly basic is far better than slightly acidic for plants. For pool water, you'd want it to be slightly basic because you don't want things to be able to live in there, so organisms don't really live in slightly basic organisms. So and it's also better for your chemical stability and for your metals in your pool. But for my soil is slightly acidic, which is not a good thing. So I need to add some kind of I'll need to neutralize my acidity, and I'll have to buffer that soil, and I will do that using pulverized lime, and I'll spread the pulverized lime around on the soil, which will eventually, as it rains, get watered in, helping to neutralize the acidity in there. Alright, so don't forget those book pages from the first video, and we'll see you in class. Thanks.